Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm your home for quick tech fixes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's solve problems together.
I will show you how to fix lag and FPS drops in Arena Breakout Infinite. Game performance issues usually come from graphics settings, outdated drivers, or your operating system. To fix this, open Settings, Image, and set all options to Performance mode, especially View Distance, Shadow Quality, Resolution, and Texture Quality. Lowering the render scale can also give a big FPS boost. If the game still lags, you can try Basic mode, but visuals will look worse. Enable NVIDIA DLSS, black small square set to performance or balanced, not quality, and turn on NVIDIA Reflex low latency to reduce input lag. Only use frame interpolation if you're struggling with performance since it can add delay. Finally, to see your FPS, go to Game, HUD, and enable Performance Info. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.